Hi, and welcome to this MTH instructional video series. I'm Bradley, this is Sid, and this is Dan, and we're going to be doing a video series on the WTIU, DCS, and the MTH DCS app. We'll be going over everything between setting up your WTIU, basic app functionality, connecting your WTIU to your home network, updating your WTIU, wiring your layout, and so much more. All right, so we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing of the WTIU so you can get a rundown of what all comes in it when you order one from your preferred dealer. When you first open up the WTIU, it comes in your foam packaging. We got the quick start guide for the WTIU right here with some basic stuff of the MTH network, connecting to your home Wi-Fi, and a quick point out of the different things laid out on the WTIU. And there's also a QR code on the back to scan right here. All right, so to start, this is the power bug, or wall wart if you'd like to call it, for the WTIU. This is what powers your unit. So unlike the TIU where you could power it through the fixed one channel, this must be used in order to power your WTIU. We have the antenna and the WTIU itself. So if we pull it out here, we can go over the quick rundown of everything. This is where you power the WTIU. That's where you'll be plugging in the wall wart that comes with it. Here is your USB port, whether you're connecting our cable to connect to your MTH DCS remote, or say connecting the WTIU to a base 3. Here is an Ethernet port, so that way you can direct connect it to your router with an Ethernet connection. This is where you attach your antenna. Here is the jack to connect a AIU to be able to use switches and accessories. And here is the WPS button to be able to use in order to connect to your home Wi-Fi if your router has a WPS button. All right, and a quick note. Emphasis on this port is for the AIU. I do know that the DCS remote does have a phone jack in the back, and it would look like it syncs up with this port, but it does not. We've made a specific cable, 50-1041, and that is a USB connection to the phone cable connection that goes into the bottom of your remote. So you just want to make sure that you are using that proper cable and not plugging your remote into this AIU port. A quick layout of the different channels. Just like the TIU, we have a fixed 1, a fixed 2, a variable 1, and a variable 2. Then in line with these same channels is your output side. So we have our fixed 1 out, our fixed 2 out, our variable 1 out, and our variable 2 out. And you can see how they're in line with each other for when you are wiring your layout. That's it for this quick unboxing video. In the next video, we're gonna power up the WTIU, we're gonna download the DCS app, and we're gonna connect your WTIU to your home Wi-Fi network.